Hello, advanced literacy students. Today, I'm going to go through and give you some directions on what you're going to be doing today. So make sure to watch this video all the way through, and then you can actually start on today's lesson. So step one is I want you to set a timer and read silently for 10 minutes. That would be your independent reading book that you're working on. After those 10 minutes are up, again, set another timer, and I want you to work on your vocab presentation for an additional 10 minutes. If you do not have a word for this unit, you may go ahead and start today's lesson. So today's lesson is going to be, it's actually going to be a couple days long here, but I like to talk about reading and when it's great for us and when is it really challenging for us. Even for somebody who loves reading like myself, it's not all, unicorns and rainbows constantly. For me, there are times when I don't want to read, especially if I'm being forced to or depending on the type of reading material. So we're going to just kind of start a discussion on when it's great for us and when is it challenging, and then tomorrow and the next day, we're going to talk about how do we get through those really challenging reading times for us, okay? So what you're going to start with first is your first kind of journal entry. The following quote says, "Reading is a basic tool in the living of a good life." I want you to write 4 to 5 sentences as to what you think this quote means. Discuss all the things that reading can do for you in terms of living that good life that they're talking about. Once you've written your 4 to 5 sentences, you can move on to this journal entry here that says, think of some times when reading was the pits for you, meaning like when was it super hard and really challenging? Your journal entry will go here to the right. And then finally, you're going to make yourself a T-chart, okay? So when is reading really hard for you and when is reading great for you? You can go ahead and fill bullet points in for both the left and the right-hand column. As many bullet points as you can think of would be better, because we're going to be sharing out our responses for our 2 journal entries and our T-chart tomorrow in class. So this is to prepare us for tomorrow in class when we meet again on Zoom. Make sure when you're done with today's lesson, you hit turn in, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow for Zoom.